All right, Falcons. So this is the video directions for the purple group. So purple group, we were really close to being on track. You just kind of are mixing up your moon phase stuff a little bit still. So we're really close. We just need to review a little bit more. All right, so we're going to do the purple Google form. First section is just your info here. All right. So our scenario is that one of the teachers at your old elementary school heard that you were learning about the earth and moon and sun and asked you to help her with something. Last month, 3 of her students, Diana, Samir, and Jordan, each had to make a moon journal for homework. Each student was supposed to go outside at night once each week, so they get to pick which day. Observe the moon and draw a picture to show what it looked like on that night. When Diana, Samir, and Jordan turned in their moon journals this morning, the teacher noticed that the drawings in each moon journal looked different. She thinks that one of her students did not go outside to observe the moon at night, but instead tried to draw their moon journal that morning before class. Sound familiar? The teacher would like you to identify which student or students recorded a series of moon phases that could not have been a single month. So that's the big picture. We're going to answer that later on in the section. So first, we're going to go into the sim, and we're going to answer some questions. So you're going to use both the top view and the view from Earth to answer the questions. Make sure to talk with your group. Ask me for help. Another tip is to choose a single month, and remember that students only had 4 weeks to make their moon journal. All right, so the sim link is back here. So we have our sim, our vocabulary here, and also our key concepts. That's going to help us like with our written answer and help us answer these questions. All right, and I already have the sim loaded over here. So I'm just going to go back and start at like a new moon right here, right? So this is my top view. This is the view from Earth. I had it set a little fast. All right, so let's go back to our questions. How is the appearance of the moon different in view from Earth than it is in top view? Choose all that apply, and there are 2 correct answers. So make sure that you pick 2. All right, so read these, figure out which 2 are correct using the sim to help you and work together. All right, what determines the appearance of the moon from Earth? One of these is true. Talk it out with your group. How long does it take the moon to go around Earth? Again, you can use the sim. We should know this, but how long does it take to make that one complete circle? So you can look at the dates here. You can look at the stuff down here to see that. But how often are we able to observe each moon phase? Is it 1 to 2 times a day, a week, a month, or a year? All right, so last section, we're coming back to this homework and we're going to figure out now which one or ones are wrong. So which student or students recorded a series of moon phases that could not have been observed in a single month? So like you're going to look here. First of all, how often do we have these moon phases in a month? Look for that. And then look at the order of the moon phases. Do they make sense? So this one has like 2 in a row and then these 2. But like this one, does that order make sense? Does this order make sense? Kind of look at that stuff, right? Choose all that apply and then explain. Use details. Explain why each of these series of moon phases that the students recorded could not have been observed in a single month. Use evidence you gathered from the sim or the key concepts. They're not in the classroom wall to explain. So they're on the doc. Sorry. Fix my. You should be writing about 2 paragraphs, so it should be a pretty good long answer here. All right, that is your assignment for the purple group.